Hi, my name's Steve. I'm from Makita UK, and today I'm going to show you the DUH523 hedge trimmer. It's a single 18-volt lithium-ion battery platform. Nice, simple and easy to use machine. 520mm cutting blade. Electric brake on the front, so to start the machine you have to pull the brake in and then pull the trigger. It's also got a dead man switch on there as well, so you push that switch over and pull the trigger to make the machine work. Once you release your hand on that brake, it will automatically turn the machine off, so if you have an accident, as soon as that hand comes away, the machine will cut itself off. On the cutters itself, it has a capacity of 15mm in branch size. As you can see from the machine itself, it's a nice, evenly balanced machine, so in one hand it will balance itself out. It's very light and easy to use as well, and easy as well if you do need to change the blades at any time. It's nice and easy to remove them and take the blades out to put new blades on. The net weight of the DUH523 is 3 kilograms, so it's nice and light and easy to use. It has an LED light on the top as well, which will just tell you when your battery is running low. So when that comes on, the battery is below 20%, so it's time to charge up. And that is the DUH523, available from Toolstop now.